Okay, guys, so welcome back to today mathematics lesson for this upcoming week. JAMB and also next examination. So let's solve this question. Let's see how we can solve this question. This is other set theorem. In our live class yesterday, we discussed about sets which we are able to use trade like 3 examples on that particular set of our live class yesterday. So today we are going to be look at this recorded video. We discuss how to solve this question under this set. I picked this question from JAMB WAEC question. So let's look at the step by step to solve this question. The question is, if U is equal to, this is universal, U is the means as the universal set, is equal to, we have the elements at the set U, we have S, we have a P, L, E, N, D, O, U, R, this is splendor. And also the set S is equal to, we have elements in set S, we have S, P, E, N, D, okay, and in the set Y, we have S, E, N, O, U, and also in set Z, we have P, N, O, U, R. So these are the elements we're given, and if you see all these elements, S, Y, Z is a subset to this universal set. All what we can see in the set S, set Y, and set Z, we can find everything in this our universal set here. So that means that this all the three sets is a subset to this universal set. Now the question said you should find the value of the question says you find S intercept. We have the symbol here is intercept open bracket Y universal set. That is, this one is, it means that they are union. Again, it means that they are union set of Z. Now let's look at the step by step to solve this mathematical question. Okay, if you see this question in this upcoming examination, let's look at the step by step to solve it. Now, to find the question says you should find our S union intercept open bracket, that's Y union Z. That's the question you have to find. But the first thing you have to find here, you first of all solve this bracket first. So after you solve this bracket, then you use this word to find our final answer. So let's first of all solve the in brackets first. So in this bracket here, we have Y union Z. So that means that we have for Y union Z. So what will be our Y union Z? This union means that you write all the elements in set Y and all the elements in ZZ, you write it together. That is the meaning of union. They are what? In unity. Again, now they are what? They are a unity. So you write the element you have in the set Y and the element you have in ZZ, you write everything together. That will be the answer of Y union Z. So this one now becomes, so let's do the element we have in S and Z. Here we have what? S, okay. Let's write everything. We have S, okay. Let's say we have S, okay. Come on. We have E, okay. Let me write the first one. We have E, okay. Come on. And we have N, okay. We have N. They both have what? They both have N, okay. So we have N. Also in this place we have a P. So let's just we have P. And also if you look at this page now, we have O. O is common to both sides. Yeah, come on. Come on. O, come on. And also I'm write this one. We have this one, okay. Since we have P here, that's a right P here. Okay, we have a S, this is S, E, and this is a half E. We don't have E here. We are writing this element, all the elements in Y and Z, we are writing it together. So we don't, this one has two now. This we have it here, we have it here. We don't need to write it in twice. We only need to pick one out of it. I get now we have what O, so we will pick only Y Z here, that's I have O, and also we have U, I'll pick one U, that's a right U here. Come on, now we have R, we don't have R here, so since R appears end of it, so that will be the this will be the answer of the A, the answer to what? To Y union Z, due to be the answer of Y union Z. All the elements we have in Y and all the elements we have what in Z, we write it together. We have P, we have S in Y, let us write what S here. We have E here in Y, let us write E here. And also if you look at this one, we have P Okay, we have P, that's the right P here, and we have N here, and we also have N here. You just have to write one out of it. That's the right N here, and we have O here. That's why I write O here. O is also common to both sides, and also that is why I have just need only one out of it. We have U here, and also we have U here. You just need only one out of it, and here we don't have only, you have up here, so that is why I write this one this out. So these are the elements. That is what Y union Z. These are the elements you can find what Y union Z. We have S, E, N, P, O, U, R. This is the element you can have there. Now, the next thing to do now, let's compare to this now. Let's the element we have here, this is what we have. So let's be the intercept of S. Now let's bring back to the question we're told to find intercept. Okay, that is Y union Z, and our Y union Z is this one. That is the element we have here. So let's be the intercept of this Y. What does it mean by the intercept? It means that intercept means that the element that common to both S and this Y union Z. That's the meaning of the intercept. This means that intercept, the elements that common to both that you can find at the same time, that you can find in element set S, and also the set of this what we have here. And our set S is called to what? Is called to this. This is what we have our set S. Again, now we have S, P, E, N, D. That is what we have our set S, and our S and our Y union Z. That is what we have. We have S, E, N, P, U, O, R. That is what we have. So you look at the sets. You look at the element they have in common. The element they have in common, we are going to be look at this S, okay, and we're going to be look at this one. So let's find the one. Let's find the element they have in common. So here, if you look at this S here, we have S. We have S here. We have S here. Yes, we have S here. So it means that they have S in common. We write the S. Come on. So let's look at this S here. For this S here, we have P. Do we have P here? Yes, we have P here. So it means that they have P what in common. We have P in common, common. So if you go again, we have E. They don't have E. If we have E here, okay. I think we have E here. So they also have what E in common. Let's have E common, common. And also let's go again. We have N. Did they have N here? Yes, they have N here. So N is common to both sides. That's what they have N. Okay, common. So D, they don't have D here, so they don't have D here, so D is not common to both sides, so you don't need to what since D is not common to both sides, means that D is not their intercept, so we don't have any letter again. If you have O, there's no O here, so that means that these are the elements they have in common. So the answer is equal to SPEN. Okay, SPEN. These are the answer. It says trying to find the value of S intercept open bracket Y union Z. The answer is equal to the set SPEN. This is the answer, and that is step by step to solve this mathematical question. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining us for today's class. So let's meet in another class for another interesting mathematics question like this. God bless us. Let's meet in the class.